Hey Galaxy lovers, if you're rocking the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you're in for a treat. Today I'm revealing 7 powerful tips and tricks you probably didn't know. So from muting notifications in seconds to applying stunning keyboard effects to clipping images from background like a pro. So these hidden features will not only boost your productivity, but also make your phone feel brand new again. So if you love discovering smart Galaxy features, do me a favor, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tip. So let's begin. Feature number 1 is where you can instantly mute notifications. So sometimes you just want peace fast. So with the S25 Ultra, there is no need to dig through settings. You can simply press and hold on any notification and you'll see an option to mute or turn it off right away. So here is an example. I've got a WhatsApp message and I want to mute this notification. So in order to mute this, I'll go ahead and long press on it. From here, I'll see these icons. So I need to go ahead and tap on this bell icon. Tap on this. And now this will ask me if you want to turn off all the notification from this app. So you can turn them on again later in settings. So we want to go ahead and turn off all the notification from WhatsApp. So we'll go ahead and do that. And now I won't receive any notification from WhatsApp. So if you get any messages on WhatsApp, you need to go ahead and manually open WhatsApp and see them, as you will not receive any notifications on them. So this saves you time, helps you instantly manage app noise, especially during meetings, work, or sleep hours. So it's perfect for quickly silencing apps without going deep into settings. Feature number 2 is where you can apply keyboard effects on your Samsung S25 Ultra keyboard. So if you want to add some magic to your typing, so here on the Samsung keyboard, you can go ahead and add these kind of effects on your Samsung keyboard. So as you can see, when I type in the background, I get an effect, which basically is like a water drop effect. And the keys are also being displayed in a colorful manner. So here you can choose from glows or ripple effects. And every time you tap on the key, that effect is basically being displayed on screen. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. This is available on the Galaxy Store. So go ahead and download it. Now here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Keys Cafe, which is right here. Tap on Style Your Own Keyboard. Make sure that is turned on. And now you want to go ahead and choose your theme. If you don't want to choose any theme, you go ahead and tap on effects itself. And then from here, you can go ahead and choose your effects. So here, if you tap on any of the effects, this will give you a preview. You can even go ahead and choose all the different colors which are available. You can choose a key motion effect. You can choose a key color effect, and you can go ahead and choose a keyboard color effect. So go ahead and choose what you like. I'll go ahead and choose a different theme. So for example, this one here. And now I'll go ahead and tap on home and go to my messages and check it out. So as you can see, the effect is now applied to my Samsung keyboard. So this makes your typing more fun, visually appealing, especially for those who love customizing their device. Feature number 3 is where you can change your digital assistant on S25 Ultra. So if you prefer Google Assistant or Bixby when you press this standby button here on the side. So as you can see, currently it's set to Gemini, the Google Gemini. However, if you want to change to maybe Bixby or maybe Copilot, then let me show you how to do this. So here there are 2 ways to do it. So first you can go ahead and open up settings. From here, search for digital assistants and then tap on digital assistant app. So here, if you tap on this, you can go ahead and choose from the recommended apps. So the recommended AI assistant is Google. However, there are other supported apps, which is Copilot and Firefox. Now, you'll be asking this question, where is Bixby? So in order to set Bixby as your digital assistant, you can go ahead and press the home button, go ahead and press the power button and the volume down button. This will bring down your power menu. From here, tap on side button settings. And now where it says long press, go ahead and tap on this and then choose Bixby. So now when you press long press on this, Bixby will start up. You can go ahead and configure it, and then you can go ahead and make this as your digital assistants. So you get used to the assistant you're most comfortable with. So whether it's smarter searches, better routines, or just preference, you can make your S25 Ultra more you. Feature number 4 is where you can instantly share a screenshot after taking it. So after you snapped a screenshot, a toolbar appears just like this. So here I'll take a screenshot, and as you can see, a toolbar appears and you'll see a small preview at the bottom left. So here, the long way of sharing this screenshot, you need to go ahead and tap on that screenshot and then tap on share. Now that is 2 buttons, and then there's another third button. So let me show you a way where you can instantly share that screenshot after you've taken it. So here I'll go ahead and take a screenshot. This will now show me a preview. I can go ahead and hold that preview, and then I can go ahead and use my other finger, open WhatsApp or maybe Message, or let's say maybe TikTok, but I'll open up the WhatsApp application, and here I can go ahead and drop it. Now when I drop this basically instantly shares that screenshot to that person on WhatsApp. So you can do the same thing on Message as well. So if I go ahead and drag that, open Message, and I can go ahead and drop it. And as you can see, it has dropped it in the Message app. So this basically saves time, keeps you in the flow. It's perfect for sharing ideas, memes, or messages in the moment. So it's quick sharing during chats or meetings. Feature number 5 is where you can clip image from a background. So Samsung Galaxy AI tool has a powerful tool called AI Select or Smart Select. You can just go ahead and open it, and you can basically clip objects or person from a photo. So let me show you how to do this. So here is an example. I'm just going ahead and surfing on the internet, and let's just say I'm interested in this car and I would like to clip this image. However, I don't want the background on this. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and bring down my Edge panel, find AI Select, tap on this. Now AI Select will automatically create a box out of it. If it hasn't, go ahead and make a circle, and this will basically create a box. Now here I want to go ahead and clip the car only. So I'll go ahead and press and hold on the car. And now as you can see, a magic just happened right now. AI Select has basically selected only the car, and now you can go ahead and save it as a sticker. You can go ahead and pin this, or you can go ahead and copy this, or you can go ahead and share this only, or you can also save this as an image. So I want to do this. I'll save it as an image. Now I'll go ahead and go into my gallery. And as you can see, the image has now been clipped, and this is a transparent background. So it lets you create clean PNGs or stickers in seconds without any third-party app. So it's perfect for creators, students, or anyone who shares visuals often on the Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 6 is where you can get the liquid glass theme on lock screen. So you can customize your lock screen with a beautiful liquid glass theme like this, and you can basically pair it with the dock wall live wallpaper for a dynamic, fluid look. So let me show you how to create this effect here on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Play Store. In the Play Store, you'll go ahead and download an app called Dock Walls. So this is the app which you require, Dock Walls. Go ahead and install this. So now once installed, you want to go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and make sure you're on lock screen. You want to go ahead and scroll this down. You want to go ahead and scroll down again and scroll down all the way down until you see the switch effect. So here you need to go ahead and choose the liquid glass option. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down. You want to go ahead and find your wallpaper. So for example, this one here, you can even go ahead and add your own wallpaper by tapping on local. Now if you go ahead and choose your wallpaper, go ahead and scroll down. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on set wallpaper. So this will now set that live wallpaper as your wallpaper. So go ahead and tap on set. Now press home. And now when you go ahead and see your lock screen, you'll see that liquid glass effect. So this elevates your lock screen aesthetic to something futuristic and more calming. So it's perfect for users who love unique premium lock screen setup on the Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 7 is where you can share large files with quick share on Samsung S25 Ultra. So do you need to send big files or do you need to send multiple files? You can basically use Samsung's quick share option. So this quick share option basically gives you 10 gig per day free of charge. So you don't need to use Google Drive or maybe let's say Dropbox. You can go ahead and use Samsung's cloud storage to store all your data for people to download. So let's just say, for example, you want to send some images off to someone. However, they're very large files. So in order to do this, you can basically use Quick Share. So it doesn't matter if that person has a Samsung phone or not. The person can visit the link and basically download all the files that you've shared. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and long press and we'll go ahead and select all the files that you want to send. So for example, here. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on share, and then you want to go ahead and tap on Quick Share at the bottom. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on QR code or link, and then you can go ahead and copy this URL, and now go ahead and paste it anywhere you like. So now you can go ahead and paste this in WhatsApp, and whoever has this link will be able to download this file. So in the background, as you can see, it basically uploads everything and it basically expires in 2 days and 10 hours. Or the other person has 2 days and 10 hours to download that file and they'll be able to receive that in high quality. So this is for faster and more convenient way than email or cloud uploads. So it's especially for photos, videos, or documents or any presentation. No third-party app is required. Everything is all on your phone. And that's a wrap on 7 hidden gems for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Which feature was your favorite? Or did you just discover something new? Let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. So before you scroll away, hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more Galaxy tips every day. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.